Overseas now, thousands of people have been left homeless as Italy continues to deal with devastating floods in the northern region. Helicopter crews continue to winch people to safety as floodwaters invaded homes and residents have lost electricity. Roads in and out of this region have also been blocked off. Sadly, at least 9 people have died. This follows months of drought, which had dried out the land, reducing its capacity to absorb water and worsening the impacts of the floods.
Fiume, ma non avremmo mai pensato una cosa di questo genere. Ci siamo trovati con più di 1 metro d'acqua davanti a casa, lì c'è il segno di dove è arrivata l'acqua, nelle colonne, barricate al secondo piano ad aspettare che la cosa finisse. Certo, molte cose sono andate male, però poteva andare peggio.